president of Goldman Sachs.
Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday afternoon, March 17th. We are looking at window traders, market profile, SPY, IWM, triple Qs, and boy oh boy did the luck of the Irish play into this market today. Things are starting to change in the marketplaces. We're going to go over today. We said yesterday it might not be until today that the market really gets its direction after digesting what transpired with the Fed yesterday. Now, we certainly got a good preview of it yesterday when they absolutely rejected sellers at the single prints from the 15th, only to rip up and probe. Today, even though we a couple of times got below the base of the price probe in A, C, and D, we spent the entire morning either above it or just dipping below it. So sellers were trying to take back what happened yesterday. If they couldn't, and once they gave it up in F period, well, we got our firm direction for the day. We go out with a triple distribution day. As we have one tiny penny of single prints in F, we have a set in H, and we have a price probe again to the upside. So tomorrow will be treated as 3 separate days. Now we will be going ex-dividend tonight. We close it around 441. I'm not sure what the dividend is, but for argument's sake, if it's $1.50, we'll be showing a settlement of 439.50. So we'll be down around, say,
he's up over 3,000% using this.
Between I's high and H's high. So we'll be below the price probe, at least initially. What's really important about that is we literally just missed a 4-week balance high by 4 cents in SPY. ES touched theirs. So that balance rule is incredibly important for tomorrow. So I'm going to have to lean more on ES to see if they get through that balance high initially rather than us because of the dividend. Triple Qs go out with a price probe, but that's it. Just a day's... Oh, I'm sorry. They had an afternoon pullback also. So H is an afternoon pullback. They go out with a price probe, the high and low. The next big level on Qs is 350. That would be coming out of balance on a weekly to the upside. Russell making some really good inroads. They go out with a double distribution day. They have single prints in E. They have an afternoon pullback in L. That is the only time frame the entire day they pulled back. They also got to a very important level, which is 205.30, or just underneath it, I believe. They got right up to it. If they get acceptance above that daily high, then 209 is another huge level, which would bring an inside month up if they get above it, and come out of balance on the weekly. Also, Russell and Qs have an opportunity for an outside week up if they stay where they are between at tomorrow night's close. And like I said, we go out with a triple distribution day.
Trading.org.
So things are starting to turn. We'll see if we put in a short-term bottom.
St. Patrick's Day.
As far as today went, had a good day today.
Continues for the market today.
I took a short in A period against yesterday's high the first time.
First time,
which paid me on the 436 puts. Once B took out A's high, any pullback, I was looking long and I bought 435 calls like 4 times. The ebb and flow of the market. We had higher value at that overlap and a higher value at that point. So any pushback, I was taking a long and putting them out as we went back.
And that's what happened here in A.
Now once we took out B's low, that game ended for while because now we're not sure what's happening yet. We took out yesterday's high and we're still inside the price probe area. But we don't know if we're going to take out the IB low. Well, we didn't.
They didn't do that.
Debalanced.
They didn't go up much in J.
E went up. Now, I did take a long in C one time against half back at the time, which paid me. Once we got below half back, I didn't do anything.
Anybody who was still
I just wanted to see what C was going to do.
Again, the shorts
D was inside.
And they had their heat-seeking.
E didn't do much. So my next trade wasn't until G.
And then
I took long.
got turned off.
Once we had single prints in F, I was long the 436 calls. I didn't do anything in H,
last line of defense,
but I did again in I period when we had another set of single prints. Took longs, 439 calls.
Wanted to see what
then in J period, I thought the market wasn't, at some point may give it up a little bit. I took a short of the 440s. We took out Jay's eyes low, went up, took a short, never got any real push below it. I made small on it, took it off. And then again in L, I thought we were going to get something to maybe fill H's singles and get a pullback for an afternoon pullback. Took a small short. Initially, I was in the money, and then it went back up,
either right at yesterday's
and
highs or right above it.
I was starting to lose money. I took it off. That was my only loss. When I took Jay's short, it was before we took out eyes low. So when it did flush, I took some off for nice money, and when it went back up, I still took off the rest for money, even though it ended up going higher.
Another interesting note.
And then I didn't do anything in them. So it turned out to be a good day. In fact, I really thought the way we were trading here that we might give it up and M might actually fill H's singles. Obviously wrong, as we ripped higher and almost got the base.
So, with two, we'll see how we close tomorrow night if they get one of those. We never took out last week's low, so we don't have
upside destination tomorrow.
Right?
441.07 today's high.
Take out last week's
441.11 weekly high, balance high. 441.85 afternoon rally high.
Overnight high right
above
now.
That, don't forget now the 50-day moving average is at 442.66. Then we have 443.80 daily high. And then nothing to 448.06 weekly high.
Then
to the downside, we have the price probe, eyes high, 439.86. Single prints,
424.
L's low to G's high, 438.07 to 437.93. 1 penny worth of single prints in L. I'm sorry, in F, 436.97, and today's low of 433.19. Now tomorrow we will recap all three of these charts indices. Just going to show you the weekly and daily. So look at the weekly in SPY.
You have the overnight high, and then really.
Remember I said this week? Well, we got within $5 of the balance low. Is that enough?
We open above B's
well,
high.
so far it is. Now we got basically within 4 pennies of the balance high.
Acceptance back in
so
there.
what are we going to do tomorrow? Are we going to stretch it? Are we going to fail at it? Or are we going to go through it and not look back? I do think the next $20 move is based on this. If we get through it with acceptance, I think we see 460. I think we'll take out these two weekly highs, which are around the 458 level. If we fail at the balance high, I think we rotate back down and see 415, 420. So this is an incredibly important level because I think we have a $20 move.
Now,
one way
in the next 75 minutes, if we open
here's something interesting. Remember that trend line I had? We were making lower highs since the all-time high. Guess what? We broke through it first time. We're above the 20 2 days in a row after being below it 19 days. 50-day moving average is next, and then the 200. So any acceptance above 441.11, we should get legs. And get, I really believe, here's that two, there's those highs. Remember all those
one other very important
triple high? I think we will test that around the
ex-dividend
460 level if we get acceptance.
Wherever we close, we're going to have to take off whatever the dividend amount is, which I'm not sure until tomorrow morning.
You had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening.
But right now on the daily, the SPY